Hey guys, it's me Ram here, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you guys my first impressions on the Qiyi MS Pyraminx. So my main since 2016 now has been the X-Man Bell version 1. It's honestly a really nice Pyraminx. However, I am getting a little bit bored of it and I really want a new puzzle. And Harsha Paladugu, a really fast Pyraminxer from the US, told me that the Qiyi MS is a direct upgrade from the Bell V1, and the fact that I had lost my GAN and Mr. M made me kind of sad, so I just decided to pick up the Qiyi MS because it was really cheap. Alright, so let's just go ahead and open this up. Alright, plastic wrap followed by a plastic box, and in there we have more plastic. Okay, so I've seen people describe this finish as a matte and a glossy finish combined, and I thought that made no sense until now. It actually does feel so much like that. Anyways, let's just put this off to the side and look at the contents of the box first. Okay, in here we've got a pamphlet and that's about it. I like the simplicity of this cube box. Anyways, let's just go ahead and do some first turns. Okay, this is significantly lighter than my Bell. The magnets feel super light compared to the Bell, but a lot of people describe it as really strong. But since I'm so used to the Bell, I think I still find any Pyraminx's magnets weak. I don't like this texture, to be honest. It's making the cube slip out of my hand. Let's just go ahead and do a quick solve. And these tips, oh my god, they're so light, what the heck. I literally just learned Intuitive L4E the other day, so yeah, I'm really not too fast with it. Let's just go ahead and do a solve, I guess, now. Okay. So this goes up here and you just have this. Okay, overall this is pretty flimsy out of the box and I'm not a huge fan of the tips. Hopefully I will get used to this over time, but for now I definitely prefer my Bell V1. I think I just need to set this up properly and it will be good to go. One thing I can really appreciate about this puzzle is its raw speed. Compared to the Bell V1, which takes a lot of effort to turn, this one really doesn't, and it's great to have a refresh like that. Let me just quickly show you the Bell V1. As you guys can see, it does take a lot of resistance to turn compared to this. So for my first impressions, I'm going to give this Pyraminx a 7.5 out of 10. So that's about it for my first impressions on the Qiyi MS Pyraminx. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and goodbye.